In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition in mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Bedrock Edition of Minecraft is available for many different platforms, including mobile. You can download it from the Google Play Store, and after you do this, you sign into a Microsoft account and you are ready to start playing. You can play alone in a single-player world as I'm about to demonstrate here, or you can join multiplayer worlds, servers, and enjoy playing with your friends. So, like I said, you will have to download Bedrock Edition on the App Store or the Play Store, depending on if you are on Android or iOS. This is what it looks like. You will have touch controls available, you have all game modes, and basically anything that is available in Java Edition will most likely be available in Bedrock Edition as well. So as you can see, like I said before, you simply open up the Google Play Store if you are on Android or the App Store if you are on iOS and look for Minecraft, and it is going to be available here. You will have to purchase the game, so after you do this, you can set it up using a Microsoft account. Since I already have it, it's not showing me the price, however, it will be displayed in your local currency. You can browse through videos, news, events, and even reviews if you scroll down. Everything is available for you to see here, and you might be able to download a demo of Minecraft. So if you want to try it out for a little bit before you commit to a purchase, there should be a demo version available for you to try inside. And once you purchase it, all that you have to do is download and open the game. So after you purchase it on the Google Play Store or the App Store, you open it up, sign in with a Microsoft account, and you are good to go. There's no secret to this. Like I said, you will have to use a Microsoft account, and you will be prompted to sign into your account the first time that you open up the game. It will be needed to join multiplayer worlds, servers, and so on. You can customize your profile, change your skin, create as many worlds as you wish, and everything is available for you to access, as long as you bought it through the App Store or the Play Store. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition in mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.